Hello and welcome back to another Motovlog. Well, sort of, because today I'm trying to record the engine noise from my old BMW R850R. Now, I've been making these Motovlogs for, I don't know, a couple of years now, and well, they've gone alright, the microphone works fine, but I don't seem to be picking up much engine noise from the motorcycle. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fit a microphone to the rear of the bike, just above the exhaust, and see what it sounds like when we go for a spin. I'll just show you where I've mounted the microphone, and then we'll start the old bike up and have a roam around some of these country roads here in Lincolnshire. So here we are then. There's the exhaust. And up here, just there, if you can see that one up, I fitted a microphone to see if we can get better engine noise as we go for a ride round. Okay, so I've taken the seat off just to show you what it's like, what I've actually done. Now, this is the microphone here. Now, this is part off a headset. It's off an old headset that I've got. Now, luckily enough, the headset has one of these connectors on, and I've got an extension lead that I'm using, and that is connected into a dictaphone. So that dictaphone is going to record the exhaust note. So hopefully we can make some new videos with a lot of engine noise to them, because I know some people have asked, you know, is there any way that I can increase the engine noise on some of my videos, because all they're getting is me talking and not much engine noise. So hopefully this is going to solve that problem. So right then, we'll jump aboard the old bike now and see what sort of noise we can get out of this microphone, and maybe when we go for rides out in the summertime we can get some really good engine noise as well. Now, I say summertime because right now we're in the winter. It's about 3 degrees outside. It's about 3 degrees out here. I'm absolutely freezing, although the heated grips on the bike do help quite a lot. So right, let's hop aboard and see what this engine noise sounds like. Well, there you have it. That's our quick ride along some country roads. So what do you think to the engine noise? Do you think we've managed to pick it up with having the microphone there, or was it just too much wind noise? Let me know in the comments below. Well, there you go. I'm off home now. I'm absolutely freezing cold out here. But anyway, thank you so very, very much for watching, and we'll see you all soon in the next video. Stay safe.